okay, and this is how you service the helmet. I mean, this is how you take everything out, and it's really easy if you want to wash it. Okay, this is also speakers from the Cardo PACKTALK Bolt, and left and right. So let's put it together. I'm going to show you how to put the intercom too. No big deal. As you can see, I have, well, Rose, my wife, has shown here the Velcro, alright, on these two. The new one, the other one I have, it has package for the speaker, so you just drop it in. But these will have centered for her ears, so it's really good to know how to do it. And okay, so this goes like that here. This is actually the left one. It has these little clips, 3 of them, very decent quality. And the Velcro is pretty good too. Okay, and I'm just gonna leave it temporarily like that, because I'm gonna put the mic inside. Alright, so the same here. Okay, it's pretty good here too. This I can snap it, because nothing goes in there except the speaker. Then I can put it here. So we're gonna put the speaker now in position right here. I'm sure you can see it from the camera, right here. Hey, Crown. Hello. And then we take this out again. Okay, put the cable inside on the back here and put the other speaker in position. I'm going to be putting the wire right here so I can connect it to the intercom right here, and the rest of it, it's an antenna, so it goes all the way to the top of the helmet if you can. Alright, like that. Then you use your 3 hands and pull back in and snap it right here. And right here, and you're all set. Okay, so let's put the intercom. So speakers are in position, as you can see, right exactly where the center of her ear is. Okay. Let's bring the Cardo bolt. Now this is the base. So I'm gonna be, making 2 separate videos, one for the repair, one for the how to install the intercom, either the Cardo bolt or the Cardo edge, whatever you have. It's the same application. So what I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna be putting the mic. I have used this hard silicone on this Velcro on the mic, and I let it dry overnight because this comes out. Okay, it's just the tip that I'm giving you right now, and it goes between these 2 red ones. It depends what helmet you have. And no, actually I'm going to be putting the mount first. Okay, the mount goes right here. You see the rubber? Alright, right here, so it will not interfere with the chin guard going up and down. Alright, let's see it. Right here, sorry, right here, and go up. Alright, you have to do inspection once in a while. Just make sure it just stays there. All right, but you don't have to do nothing else. We have it there for how long? Over 3 years. And then you put the cable inside here. You straighten up the cables here a little bit. You don't have to go crazy, they just hide there. Connect first the speakers and just drop it in there. It will not bother the rider. And then the mic. This is the other Velcro, you see it right here. Okay, you connect it, it's a good idea to connect it first. Then I know exactly, I have measured exactly the position my wife wants. And snap it in place, open it so you can put the helmet on. Okay, and we're all set. It's pretty simple, but take your time because I have done it, 4 or 5 times, so I'm like very comfortable with the whole thing. All right. If you have, again, because this is going to be an installation, if you have a packet, drop the speakers into the helmet packet, the special place they have for speakers for intercom. All right. But the trick is, if you want to hear the music nice, make sure put your finger here, put the helmet on, then put your finger here, from the center of your ear. Okay, and put the speaker right where the center of your ear is. That's why you're going to have the best quality in your music and in the intercom between you and your partner. Okay, all right. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, right there. Right there. Okay. Right there. And right there. We're all good. And the mic is right here. We're all good. Thanks for watching.